Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Unlock your Android and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open the native camera app. Many phones detect QR codes automatically, or launch a trusted QR scanner if you prefer. Grant camera permission when the system asks, because without it you can't scan. Then steady your hand and hold the phone about 6 to 12 inches from the QR code. Once the code is in frame, your device should recognize it and show a notification to tap. Once the camera detects the QR code, you'll see a notification or an on-screen banner. Tap that immediately to move forward. You'll often get a preview of the URL or a pairing request. Look at the details so you know what you're approving. If the action requires extra permissions such as Bluetooth, location, or account access, allow them so the link or device pairing can complete. Make sure to confirm any terms or prompts. This final acceptance triggers the actual link between your phone and the service. After tapping the prompt, confirm the connection by opening the linked app or checking the service's confirmation screen. You should see a success message or paired status. If nothing happens, first restart your camera app or try a dedicated QR scanner app. Sometimes the native detector misses codes. Also check lighting and wipe the lens. Poor light or smudges block scans. If problems persist, move closer or farther by a few inches and then reattempt. That change often resolves focus and detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.